How to add the slug or URL handle in the Shopify pages. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can edit or change your slug or page slug or the page URL handle, which is going to be this part of the URL. This is called the URL handle, which is going to be the last part of after the slash of the URL into your Shopify pages. So the process is going to be very easy. So we are going to head over the admin dashboard of our store on Shopify. Then what we're going to do is to head over the online store and the sales channels. So this is the container of the pages. We're going to select from here the pages, just like that. And from these pages, you're going to see all that you have created. So as you can see, we have two pages. And if you're going to create another page or create a page from scratch, you're going to have here the same process. So we are going to add a page, set up the title and the content. Obviously, or usually, the page handle or the URL handle is going to have the slug or the title of it from the title or from the content. And if you want to change that, you're going to click on the search engine listing, click on edit, and here you're going to see the page title, meta description, and URL handle. So here, as you can see, it is going to be commencing or beginning like this. The name of the store, .myshopify.com/pages/ here we have the URL handle. For example, we are going to type in this page name as category, for example, category, and then you're going to have it just like this. This is the name of the page, and this is the URL handle, and this is the whole URL. So you can do that also for the setup pages or already created pages like these. Click on pages. Here you are going to see the pages that you have created. For example, I have created this. We're going to scroll down. Here we have the, as you can see, this is not going to be a suitable URL. So we're going to click on edit. Then we are going to have it in here, URL handle. You can go ahead and modify it. For example, agreement or agreement. So we are going to have it in here. So we are going to create a URL redirect for this to this one. For example, we are going to put here I'm going to put this and select all of these information. Do not, for example, sell my data. And you are going to have it just like this. Boom. You are going to create a URL that will redirect from this point or the first one to this one. Click on save, and here we have it. Basically, that was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.